Tágad Ceann, and unfortunately the relevant minister is gone. So Minister Humphreys, I hope you'll be able to answer this question. Like other TDs, I'm drawn to your attention a letter where those in direct provision who have permission to stay have been given an eviction notice for the 5th of July. This particular example, both parents are working. They have a child that has moved 3 times from a war-torn country down to Tipperary, a year and a half there, 3 years in Galway, very near where I live. That's just one example. An eviction notice for the 5th of July. And the last line of the letter is saying, if you need emergency accommodation, contact this. Let me tell you, Galway has the most serious housing crisis. There isn't a single unit of accommodation available under the HAP scheme or any discretionary scheme. There is no place for this family to go. They're embedded, and they're just one of the examples. They've got a Mayor's Award last year, the woman, for her voluntary activities. She works, she pays tax, so does the husband, and the child has actually attending special classes for its brightness. And this is just one example of a madness policy that's in place, and I'm asking you please to do something about it.
Thank you, Ceann Comhairle, and thank you, Deputy. I will raise this matter directly with, I don't have details on it, but I will raise this matter directly with the Minister, and I'll get him to give you, send you a response, Deputy.